If you want Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on Windows 11 without downloading a modified Office installer from some random website, here's the complete method. We'll use Microsoft's Office Customization Tool and Office Deployment Tool to download and install Office 2024. You can also choose exactly which Office applications you want, so there's no need to install the entire suite. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Office Customization Tool. Open the official Microsoft page. You'll see a configuration screen where we can choose exactly how Office will be installed. Under Architecture, select 64-bit. Next, go to Products and Releases. For the Office suite, select Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Now go to the Applications section. Here, you'll see all the Office applications that can be installed. If you only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, select those three. You can leave the other applications unchecked. Next, select your preferred language. For example, select English and choose either the US or UK version, depending on your preference. For the remaining options, you can leave the default settings as they are. Once everything is configured, click Export. A pop-up will appear. Select Office Open XML formats, then click OK. Accept the terms and conditions. Keep the configuration file name as it is and click Export again. Your configuration file will now be downloaded. Keep this file somewhere easy to access because we'll need it in the next step. Now open a new browser tab and search for Microsoft Office Deployment Tool. Open the official Microsoft website. You'll find the download option for the Office Deployment Tool. Click Download. Once the download is complete, we're going to create a folder for the installation files. Open File Explorer. Go to your C drive, create a new folder and name it Office 2024. Now open your Downloads folder. You'll have the configuration file we created earlier and the Office Deployment Tool. Move both of these files into the new Office 2024 folder in C drive. Now right-click the Office Deployment Tool and select Run as Administrator. The setup will open and show you Microsoft's license agreement. Accept the agreement and click Continue. It will now ask you where you want to extract the files. Select the same folder we created earlier. Click OK. The deployment tool will extract its files into this folder. Once that's finished, open the folder again. You should now see the Office Deployment Tool files along with the configuration.xml file. Now we're ready to install Office. Open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. First, we need to move Command Prompt into our Office 2024 folder. Type cd C:\/ Office 2024, then press Enter. You should now be inside the Office 2024 directory. Next, we're going to start the installation using the configuration file we created earlier. Type setup/configure configuration.xml. Press Enter. That's it. The Office installation will now begin. The deployment tool will download the Office files and install the applications you selected earlier. The installation time depends on your internet speed and how many applications you selected. If you only selected Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, the installation shouldn't take very long. You don't need to click through any additional setup screens. Just wait for the installation to finish. Once it's complete, close Command Prompt. Now open the Windows Start menu. Search for Word and open it. Then open Excel and any other Office app you selected. All the applications you selected during the configuration should now be installed on your computer. The next step is to prevent the Office applications from accessing the internet. Open Windows Search and type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Open it. On the left side, you'll see inbound rules and outbound rules. First, we'll create an outbound rule. Click Outbound Rules and select New Rule. Choose Program and click Next. Select this program path. Now browse to the Office installation folder. For Office 2024, the applications are normally located inside the Microsoft Office installation directory. Select the Office executable you want to block. For example, for Word, select the Word executable. Continue through the wizard. Choose Block the connection. Click Next. Keep the network profile selected and continue. Give the rule a name, such as Block Microsoft Word Internet. Then click Finish. Repeat the same process for the other Office applications you want to block. You can create corresponding rules for Excel, PowerPoint, and the other Office applications installed on your computer. You can also create the corresponding inbound rules using the same process. Once you've finished creating the rules, Office applications will no longer have normal internet access through those blocked executables. Now restart your computer and use Office apps for free. Subscribe for more videos like this.